Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G520 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this, and once your content is open and visible, press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this pop-up right here. You can let go of the keys at that point, and from here, as you can see, we have a couple options. We have edit, share, Google Lens, and delete. And once that disappears, you can find your screenshot in the photo application. Just go back. There we go. As you can see, screenshot, and there is the screenshot that I have just captured. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.